How to grow radish microgreens. Radish microgreens are easy to grow in 8 to 10 days. Radish microgreens can be grown in a variety of tray sizes, including 5x5, 10x10, 10x20, and self-watering trays. Place a tray with drain holes inside one without holes and fill. Spread your growing medium to create a flat surface. Some hydroponic mats need more water than others. Drain away excess water once hydrated. Radish microgreens grow well in soil, coco coir, and hydroponic mats, including micromat confetti, micromats, bamboo, jute, biostraight felt, cocoa fiber, and ecotone pads. Spread 20 to 30 grams or 2 to 3 tablespoons of radish seeds per 10-20 tray. I like to spread with my palms facing up for more even distribution. Stack another tray on top of your planted seeds for 2 to 4 days for even growth and germination. Adding up to 15 pounds of weight is optional and is not necessary for a successful grow. Adding weight can encourage even germination, faster root development, and stronger stems. After 2 to 4 days from planting the seeds, you're going to remove the weights. Then remove your cover tray. Your seedlings will appear yellow and sprawled out. Then replace the covering tray by flipping it upside down to create a dome. This will black out the seedlings to help them stretch and become taller. Bottom water for healthier microgreens. Overhead watering and too much moisture can lead to mold growth. Once your microgreens reach approximately 2 inches tall, remove your covering tray. They should be slightly yellow with white stems. Expose the microgreens to light. The Boost Max Pro lights are perfect for microgreens. Radish microgreens are harvested on days 8 to 10. Microgreens are best used within 2 to 3 days of harvesting. Over 200 varieties of microgreen seeds, kits for beginners and professional growers, and supplies for all your growing needs. True Leaf Market, your microgreens growing headquarters.